We're here before morning is even started, okay? Time to get to work, time to get things done. That's what we do here. Early bird catches the word here at Nomadic Cooling HQ2, Peoria, Arizona. Let's take a little look around and see what's going on. You won't see Elliot and you won't see Mackenzie in there working right now because they're still sleeping. They're not dedicated. Not dedicated at all, but thankfully, I'm here, I'm dedicated. Kenneth, pull around here. Take a look at the new Nomadic Cooling 3000 with the black shroud on there. Can you get that thing? That's the Rhino line shroud, now available at nomadiccooling.com. Check that thing out. That thing's rocking for your convenience. Let's come around, let's get the kids out the car. Time to go to work, time to get things done. Looks like it's been through Iraq, though. This is our 15-foot standing desk that we absolutely have never used, but it's on wheels, so we can move it forward or backwards depending on how our days are going. Let's go into the warehouse now, Kenneth, and take a little look around. I'll show you what's going on. The most important part about a warehouse in Phoenix is the refrigerator, because in the summer, it gets hot around here. We have the full LaCroix at all times in here. Usually there's a few more in here. Let's take a little spin around here. Now I know it's a little smaller than our last warehouse. All these units right here, Kenneth, these are all going out to customers. These are all ready to be shipped out. This air conditioner right here is going to Florida. It's for Larry. He just moved off his sailboat that he's been on for about 20 years and got into the van life. So congratulations to you, Larry. He wanted the black shroud, so we had it done in black with the Rhino liner on it. This has got our brand new system for installation on it. We have the wires actually routed out the back for Larry to make the install a little bit easier because he's already got his van completely built out. And so you can either have it here out the back, or for most people, if you're just building out your van, you can put it right here through the 14x14 opening. We have more painted shrouds in here ready to go. We've got color custom matched gray shroud. For customer's van, we've got the Rhino line shrouds. We've got a very interesting custom bluish green color, and then the shiny black as well. These are all ready going on customers' vans. You ready? Here's the thing, guys. Roxy, Gunner, and I have been here for hours working diligently, and sometimes people think that they can just walk in anytime they want, okay? The rest of us have been here working. And then you have dilly-daddlers here. Dilly-daddlers who aren't dedicated to the nomadic life. Rolling in here anytime they want, not dedicated, not nomadic people, okay? Roxy and I have been working here diligently for hours. We'd like to know, Starbucks? You went to coffee?
I've been around. I've been working.
You've been working?
On the phone.
You've been on the phones?
Wiring diagrams.
Wiring diagrams? Solutions? Now guys, this sounds fishy to me. I'm not too sure, okay? But Elliot says that he's been working before he even got here. He says that he woke up and started thinking nomadic cooling before his head lifted the pillow. I don't believe it. Few things you won't see here. You won't see a cubicle. You won't see landlines. You won't see desks. That's not how we roll over here at Nomadic Cooling. We do bean bags and couches and the floor. Come on in here into the old office space. You will see a few of our hardest working employees in their natural habitat. But be quiet. You don't want to scare them. Be very, very quiet. You'll see Mackenzie hard at work at her desk couch. That's her official section. Okay, that's her spot on the couch. No other spot will do. Now let's go check on Elliot in the electrical integrations department. Follow me this way. Let's not disturb the hard workers that are in here in the office, okay? But if we come in here into their natural environment, you'll see an Elliot hard at work right here, just working very diligently, building packages of lithium. Nomadic Cooling, HQ2, Peoria, Arizona. Thanks for taking a tour today. I'm Jonathan. Here at Nomadic, we build 12, 24, or 48 volt air conditioners. If you need a full electrical package also, give us a call. We're here to help. Anything you need, Call, email, and or text. We're here for you at Nomadic Cooling HQ2 Peoria, Arizona.